Hello, everybody. This time we will be discussing step 5 of discharge permit application via online permitting and monitoring system. Paano ba ang step 5 ng discharge permit application? Well, first of all, kailangan mo munang makomplete ang steps 1 to 4, and then once complete na yung step 4, proceed ka na ngayon sa step number 5. Well, sa step number 5, very simple lang po ito. Nandyan po yung ating application form na ma-generate after completing the steps 1 to 4. At yan pong application form po na ito, meron na po yung application number, pero hanggat hindi pa po yan na isasubmit ang ating application ng discharge permit, hindi pa yan nakikita ng evaluator. At yung application form po na yan ay specific po yan kung anong application form. But in this case, this is for discharge permit application. At pwede nating i-generate po yan by clicking this button, application form. At after pong ma-generate ang application form na yan, sa page number 3, kailangan po itong pirmahan ng Pollution Control Officer, pirmahan ng Managing Head or ng Owner or the Chief Executive Officer, at kailangan din po itong ipanotaryo. So sa baba, meron po ditong portion para sa notary. So once po itong application form na to ay signed and duly notarized, pwede na po nating balikan sa ating account at i-upload natin itong application form duly signed and notarized. So doon po sa step number 5, after po na ma-generate po yon, after na ma-sign, ma-notarize, we can now proceed with step number 6. At sa step number 6 po na yan, makikita natin doon yung requirement ng notarized application. So yun lamang ang step number 5. I hope may natutunan tayo dito sa application ng discharge permit through online permitting and monitoring system. At kapag po na-submit mo na yung application na to, the same application number na nandyan sa ating form, pwede natin gamitin to follow up yung status ng ating application. So that's all about step 5 of our application for discharge permit. At kung gusto niyo pang matutunan yung mga requirements sa step number 6, kung paano gagawin po ang mga yan, please subscribe, share this video, and like this video. Maraming salamat at God bless us all.